Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to enable system protection or create a restore point. What happens if you install a bad piece of software or defective driver and your computer starts acting strangely or you can't even boot? You will want to revert Windows 10 to the previous system restore point, which will turn back the clock on your drivers, programs and settings to a time when the system worked perfectly. However, Windows 10 comes with system protection disabled. If you want to protect yourself, and you should set up restore point following the instruction below. First, search for restore point in the Windows search box. Second, launch create a restore point. From the result, you should see a list of available drivers. Third, select the system driver and click configure. The system driver is usually the C drive and has the word system written after its volume name. Fourth, toggle restore setting to turn on system protection. Set the maximum disk space usage by moving the slider and click OK. When recommended, leaving 2 or 3% for restore points, but you may be able to get away with the lowest 1%. Fifth, click create so that you create an initial restore point right away. Click on create and make OK. 6. Name the initial restore point when prompted. Type here name first restore. Click on create. 7. Click close when it is done. The restore point was created successfully. Now close. If you need to restore from one of these points, you can click the System Restore button on the System Protection tab. If you can't boot, you can hit F8 or Shift plus F8 during boot to get to the emergency menu on some computers. On other PCs, if you can at least get the login screen, you can hold down Shift while you select Restart. So friends, by simple method you can enable system protection or you can create a restore point. I hope you like this video. Friends, if you like this video, so please hit like button, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel.